So far we've passed some simple numbers by reference as reference variables. Now we're going to look at some other things. And there are many things that we can send as a reference variable. Over here what we're going to do is in fact pass a reference location to a file. Now it doesn't mean that you pass the whole file. It means that we're just going to pass the starting address for that file. So we are going to read a set of daily high temperatures from a file, and you see over here this weather.dat, which is the file that we're going to be working with. The function argument is a file stream object, and that is going to be passed by reference because we cannot send the whole thing. Passing by reference just points to the memory location, not the data itself, so you don't pass the whole file. Over here this is just a little bit, but it could be quite large. Now the .dat extension that you see over here means that it's a data file. In this case you see that it's just some plain text, and that will still work. There are other forms of .dat files where the information is much more hidden and you cannot read it straight with the text editor, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Okay, so see that we have the function read file, and we send it the starting address for the file that we have opened. We have included an fstream. We're creating an input file stream, open up weather.dat. If you cannot open it up, then we get an error opening up the file. Otherwise we're going to read it over here, and then we're going to close it. And in the read file function we just declare a temperature, and while we can get another temperature from that file, over here we call that some file, we just print it out. Notice that we stay on the same line, and then after we're done with the whole while loop, then we're going to just go to the next line here, and then we're done in the main function too. So let's run this. And you see that we have exactly the same weather data over here, starting at 72, ending at 70. And if I wanted to give some other really hot temperature over here, and I ran this again, then I would get that too. So let's hope it doesn't get that hot.